Hello. And Jolanda is a very special woman who is very musically passionate, and she helped me organize some shows, which I was very grateful for. And I was a guest in her home, which I was also very grateful for. The scarf she gave me, also grateful. But she has a real love for good songs, and so we were talking which songs we both loved, and this one came up, and so we thought, we're going to sing this one for you together. It's a John Prine song. I know it from Nancy Griffith, and man, sometimes you know songs and you love them for a long time, and only 5-10 years later you understand them, what they're about. Okay. I think I get it now more than I did before. Come on late and you come on early. Come on big when you're feeling small. You come on straight and you come on curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loveliness. Out there running just to be on the run. I got a heart that burns with fear. I got a worried and jealous mind. How can a love that lasts forever get left so far behind? So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and dreadful sorrow. It's crossed that evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. But what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run.
Jolanda.
Ruud, let us answer with another song.
Volgens mij is het helemaal goed. Ja.